everybody, my name is Brittany with Virginia Beach Parks and Recreation. I am a certified American Red Cross water safety instructor, and today me and my co-worker Julieanna are going to be talking a little bit about what you can do at home to keep your kids interested in water during some lessons while we are all stuck inside under quarantine. So the first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to be just introducing a fun little song, If You're Happy and You Know It. And so, if you're happy and you know it, splash your hands. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, splash your hands. Yay! If you're happy and you know it, and if you want to show it, if you're happy and you know it, splash your hands. Yay! So it's all about being excited, having fun, splashing, getting used to the water. And you can do things like kick your feet, or splash your tummy, or sprinkle your hair. You can pretty much do anything you want with the song, and it works for kids of all ages with that kind of